Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we will going to learn how you can create posts on WordPress website, creating categories for post, creating tags for post. For your kind information, post is article or the blog which you write, and it will be published on your blog on your website if your website is like fully on a blog purpose, not a business purpose, only for blogs. So yeah, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So you need a dashboard or a WordPress website. Okay, so we are here, the website which we created earlier. If you have not yet watched that video, make sure to watch that video. I will give the link over here, so go there and watch that video first, that how you can create your WordPress website in just 10 minutes. And also, if you are interested, you can also go and see how you can get a free custom domain for 12 months for free. I will be giving a link here, the information tab over here for the custom domain. Okay, yeah. So, and also if you not watched like how you can configure custom domain with a web host, make sure to watch that video also first. I will be giving a link over here. Okay, so let's get started. So you can see that here is the post tab. Okay, so you can see there are 4 options: all post, add new, categories, tags. So all post, when you click on all post, it will display all the post on your website. Add new, you can create a new post. Category will be the categories for the post, tags will be the tags for the post. Okay, you can also create a post from here, like go to here and you can see new post. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will go in all post and see what it's here. So this is the only one blog which is available on our website. The hello world, it is come default. Okay, so you can edit it, quick edit it, you can trash it, and you can view it. Okay, so we will be not doing anything here. This is just simple thing. Okay, so we will be going forward and adding creating a new blog, so that I can show you how you can write or how you can actually create a new blog or article. Okay, so you can click over here, you can click over here, or you can click over here. So there are 3 methods you can do anything. So I will go and click add new. So you can see here that it is welcome to the blog editor. So just click on next, next, and next. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I will just show you each and everything, not a problem. So when you come here, so this is a title of your blog. Okay, this will be the title of your blog. For example, blogs, just a second, I will show you what is title. Okay, this is logo. This goes to, okay, so you can see here logo, this is the title, and you will be writing here something, maybe website. Okay, so this will be the title which will be in H1. Okay, after that you can add anything, like you can add a header, or maybe a paragraph. Okay, or maybe a photo also, or maybe a button. So what are the different types of actually you can embed it here. So on default purpose it is always a paragraph. Okay, so you can go here, add new, and you can see there are multiple options. So you will browse all and you will see what are the different things. So you can what we can say, you can insert paragraph, heading, list, code, classic block, pre-formatted, full code, table, verse. Okay, for media you can embed image, gallery, audio, cover, file, media, text, video. For design you can insert button, column, group, more, page break, separator, spacer. Widgets, for widgets you can short codes, archives, calendar, category, custom HTML, latest comments, latest posts, RSS, search, social icon, tag cloud. Okay, and these are the few apps which are embedded with WordPress. Okay, so TikTok is also there. Oh, great. However, TikTok is banned in India. So yeah, so these are the patterns. Okay, You can use pattern as well. Okay, so this was like how you can add or embed anything over here, like the different categories or the blocks. Okay, so we will go on the right hand side. So here you can see status and visibility. So status and visibility is would you like to make it private blog, or would you like to make it a public blog or something else? There are three types here. The first one is public, that is it is visible to everyone. Private, only visible to site admins and editor, kind of what we can say it, a person who do have a administration access as well as some editors of the blog can see it if you enable it as a private. Password protected is you have to enter password to see this website. Okay, see this page, sorry, not a website. Protected with a password, you choose only those with the password can view this. Okay, so you may be familiar with the visibility. For the publish thing, it will be you can schedule the post, or you can like, yeah, it's a kind of schedule. Okay, so you can schedule like when it will be going online, or you can just leave it at immediately only. Okay, so this you, if checking this, it will stick to top of the blog, and when you click on this, it will state pending review. You can like delete it from here, also move to bin. Okay, so done with status and visibility, let's go for permalink. Permalink is actually your this article URL. So this is the article URL when you publish it online, and this will be the categories. So if you have not created any categories, it will be go to uncategorized. Like if you have not uh, chosen anything, for example, if you left the category tab on like unchecked, it will go to uncategorized. You can also add new category from here, or from the what we can say it, from the previous list, like the add new categories, tags, yeah, from there as well. Tags is kind of it's a help a user to find something on your website. Okay, for example, if I embed website over here or something like a website, so whenever a person come on your website and search for a blog, because it's okay when you have like one or two articles on your website, but it will be very messed up when you do have multiple hundred or maybe thousand of articles. So it keep a very you can see the accessibility of a article to a guy can like search for the exact term and then get the exact article which he is looking for. So tag help in that matter. Featured is actually a thumbnail of the this article. For here we can see this is the actual thumbnail of this article, which is logo. Okay, yeah, that's nothing much. So you can use the like JPEG, PNG or GIF. Okay, except except is actually a short term, like for example, just a second, I will show you. It's a short paragraph. Okay, so this is except. Okay, this is except, so you can do that also. I don't use it because most of themes come pre-built with this type of thing. They will just choose it and they will just display it. Okay, discussion is you can like disable comments, you can allow ping back and trace back. Okay, and these are the post attribute, like what you actually want your this article to look like. Do you want a full width template or a covered template? If in future if you install some element or some page builder, it will be a more thing like element of full width or something like that. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can save draft over here, you can preview over here, and you can publish directly from here. Okay, and these are the settings, which is actually this only. You can hide and hide this thing. Okay, and this is nothing. Like, so I hope that now you can create a post on WordPress easily. Okay, so let's go. And okay, so I think we have already gone with categories and tags. Okay, however, we will go to dashboard. Okay, so yeah, we have seen almost everything about the post. So this is the detailed video about WordPress post feature. Okay, so I hope that you did like this video, and now you can create your own article or blog on your WordPress website. So make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.